Hello dear students, myself Professor Neeta Nemade. Today we will study design steps for binary subtractor. Already we have seen in the first lecture adder. Today we will see the subtractor as half subtractor and full subtractor. First step, assign variables for the inputs and outputs. Inputs are say A, B, outputs are as borrow output and difference. Decimal number equivalent. Second step, find out in equations for the output variables as borrow and difference. Observe the borrow column. Here we have 1 for 0, 1, that is one cell. So that equation for borrow output is equals to A complement dot B. Next, K-map for difference output variable. Observe the column for the difference. Here we have 1 and 1 for 1 number and 2 number cell. So that equation for borrow is equals to, here it is A dot B complement, or with here we have A complement dot B, and this will be equals to A XOR with B. The next step is to go for the logic diagram. Input variables AB, A XOR with B, we have as the difference, and here A complement and with B as the borrow. Next we will go for the full subtractor. The first step is to assign variables to inputs and outputs. Say the inputs are as say X, Y and borrow in, and outputs are borrow out as well as the difference. Subtractor rules we have to use to complete this table. We will write the decimal number equivalent. Zero minus 0, 0, 0 minus 1 as 1, 1, 0 minus 1 as 1, 1, 0 minus 1 as 1, 1, and that 1 minus 0 1 minus 1 as 0. Find equations for the output variables using K-map. So K-map for B0, X, Y, B in. Observe here the column for the B0. Here it is 1 for the 1 number cell, 2 number cell, 3 number cell, and 7 number cell. So that we have the pair that of cell number 1 3, 3 2, and 3 7. So that B0 equation be given as equals to here for this cell we have x complement dot with b in, or with here for these cells we have x complement dot with y. For these cells we have y dot b in. Next K-map for the output variable reference. Observe the column for the difference. In this truth table, here we have 1 for 1, 2, 4, and 7. Individual 1 will be considered as pair is not get formed, so that the difference variable will be given equals to, here we will write the difference variable as equals to, for this one, x dot y complement dot b in complement, or for this one we have x complement dot y complement dot b in. For this one, x dot here y dot b in, or for this one x complement dot y dot b in complement. Find out the common here as a y complement, so that and here we'll take common as a y, so this will be equals to y complement x XOR with b in, and or with y x XOR with b in its complement, so that this will be equals to x XOR with y XOR with b. The fourth step is to draw logic diagram using this equation. X, y, b in are the inputs variables. For the difference, we have XOR operation between these three variables. Here it is difference, and B0 as x b in, AND operation, x complement y AND operation, y dot b in, and all these three AND operations or for the page. Here we have seen the designing for the hub subtractor and full subtractor. Thank you.